Here is my 2000 Ford Expedition. And this here is for anybody who's having problems with water getting in their vehicle. I found the problem. Right here, along this right here, the inside leaks water. Let's see if I can get it. Right behind here is a gap. The water gets in under here. If anybody's replaced their windshield and you still got water coming in, that's the problem. A beautiful daughter trying to drive. Had a hard time recreating that. Well, we finally found it by accident. Wish this would have been fixed sooner.
There's glue right there, Mom.
But there was water coming in from right below there. Anybody have the same problem? Drip right there, right underneath the fuse box. Right behind there is your gem module. All kinds of wacky things happening.
Like the car wouldn't start.
Yep, dead battery. Windows not working when they want to. Windshield wipers. But there's your problem. If you've replaced your windshield and still got water coming in, that's the problem. Don't pull on it, Alex.
Sorry.
Damn it.
There's glue.
Yep, sealed right behind there. I know, lovely job. Men, you gotta love them. Sealed up there too. Just to be on the safe side. Alright, there's my lovely video. You guys move.
Please comment and subscribe.
Angel, come out. Come on. I hope this helps anybody who's having the same issues I did.